What is a control system? Control system is an integrated hardware system, specifically engineered to monitor, evaluate, and regulate. This figure shows the simple block diagram of a control system, as a simple block, with input and output. Control systems can be classified into continuous time and discrete time control systems, SISO and MIMO control systems. In continuous time control systems, all the signals are continuous in time. In discrete time control systems, there exists one or more discrete time signals. In SISO, single input and single output control systems have one input and one output. In MIMO, multiple inputs and multiple outputs control systems have more than one input and more than one output. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.